you get up on the dance floor and move your body to the beat, my dear. It's time to party. Bring your friends. Get up, sugar, let's cut a roll and show them how it's done. Left, right, left, side to side. Let the rhythm come inside. When you feel the boogie, the jukebox boogie, you just come alive. Left, right, left, side to side.
Welcome to the first Alfa contest in Portugal. It is a great honor for us to be participating in it. We have a relatively eclectic jury to evaluate the participants' proposals. The creation you will be making in 2 hours is a kimono. Time starts now.
It's time to go. Mama's gonna teach you how to steal the show. Don't be afraid to hit the dance floor and shoot me, baby, till you can't no more. It's time to party. Bring your friends. Get up, sugar, let's cut a roll and show them how it's done. Left, right, left, side to side. Let the rhythm come inside. When you feel the boogie, the jukebox boogie, you just come alive. Left, right, left, side to side. Come along for the ride. When you feel the boogie, the jukebox boogie, the music gets you high. Hey, you get on the dance floor. Let your head down tonight. Let's have some fun.
As this is a daytime piece for us, we wanted to give it a twist for something more informal, for the night, for going out, so we used tulle. We mixed fabrics, and instead of using the fabric for the body, we used it for the sleeves as an alternative. My name is Beatrice. My name is Ana Salgueiro, and we didn't know each other until we were paired up. It has been great to be part of this experience, to participate, learn, and gain new skills. It was great for me too. I thought it could be a good experience, also to work with a person I don't know in a team and design a piece in such a short time. Now we are friends. We created an asymmetry where one side is different from the other, but based on the piece, both sides are equal.